Welcome. Our mathematics ABC. Solve the equation 3 raised to power 2x plus power 1, their index or indices, minus 12 3 raised to power x in brackets plus 9 equals 0. Solution. Copy down this here. Now, for the value of this, we say let 3 raised to power x be y. That's 3 raised to power x equals y. So, we try to simplify it or to state it out, the meaning. You will see that this one is this, okay? Now, this one here is this 3, okay? Is this times 3. Because what you see here is 3 raised to power 2x plus 3 raised to power 1. That is the meaning of here. So this is the 3 raised to power 1 here. So this one is representing this. Now, we have minus 12x. Okay? This one means times this. Look at it. When you have anything in bracket, by this, it means times this. So you see this. And then plus 9 equals 0. We are trying to simplify it to show the meaning of the whole of this. So now, we are replacing, because we say let 3x be y. So we have, this is 3x here, which should also be y, okay? Then we'll have these 2 here. Then this 3 you see here is what you find here. This 3 is here. This 3 is gone because this 3 is the 3 raised to power x. Look at it. 3 raised to this power x is this y. Then this 3 is here. Then power 2 is there. We are explaining. So we come here. We say, look at it. I'm saying this 3 you see here is here. So this very 3 here is the 3 raised to power x, which is y. And then this 2 is here. This 3 is here. 3 raised to power x is y. Because we say let 3 raised to power x be y. So it's y. Then this 2 is here. So we have 12. 12y. 12y is as a result of making 3 raised to power x y. Look at it here. So it is now y. That's why we have this. Plus 9 equals 0. We'll come down here. Now we try to reduce to lowest term. Okay. We can use 3 to divide through. Look at it saying dividing through by 3. So if you divide to 3, divide it by 3, all through, you will have 3 here. Y will come out as y raised to power 2. Then this will come out as minus 4y. That's when you divide 12 by 3, 4y. We are eliminating dividing by 3 to reduce it to lowest terms. So we divide this one, it will have, this one will go to y raised to power 2. Sorry for tongue twisting. Then here you have 4 minus 4y plus 3. That is when you divide this by 3 2, you have 3. Divide this by 3, you have 4 minus 4y. So equals this. Now we come down here. Factorizing this value now, you will have y minus 1 in brackets. And here you have, that is times y minus 3 in brackets. Why do you get this? It's because if you know how we normally factorize, you will use this one to multiply the digit here, okay, which is the coefficient, 3 times. The digit here, the coefficient of this value here is 1. So this times 1 is 3. So we use it to form a value that will give us minus 4 here. And the value will be minus 1 minus 3. That is why you have this minus 1 minus 3 as our factors. So y minus 1 and y minus 3 all in bracket. Now it means y minus 1 equals 0 and y minus 3 equals 0. So here is we are finding the value of y minus 1 equals 0 will be y equals 1, because when you cross over minus 1 here, it will give you 1. That is for y. Then, or, because the value must always be or on the other one, okay, you have y minus 3, okay, equals 0. So y, you cross this minus 3, this side will be 3. So we have y equals 1 and y equals 3. Now substitute y equals 3 raised to power x, which is what we say here. We use 3 raised to power x as y. So we are bringing it down here, 3 raised to power x. So we have substitute y equals 3 raised to power x when y is 1. So you have 3 raised to power x now when y is 1. What is 1 as index? Index of 1 is 3 raised to power 0. Anything raised to power 0 is 1. You form index for it because we are after the index, we are taking the index. So the value will now be x equals 0. That's when we remove when we take the ones on top. We say x equals 0. We are no longer interested here because we have made this one common. They must be common, okay, common base. So we take the one on top. So x equals 0, x equals 0. Then we'll come when y is 3. Okay, we'll make the value of 3 to be 1. Okay, anything raised to power 1 here, that's 3 raised to power 1 gives us this 3. So we say, we take the value on top, x equals 1. So the value now, x equals 1. That's the answer. So now our answers are x equals 1. Okay, then here we have y equals 3 and y equals 1. X equals 0 and x equals 1. Okay, so we got the whole values. X equals 0 and x equals 1. And here is y equals 1, y equals 3. Well done. Well done. See you.